think it's very important to improvise and see, where do you stand and how do you want to take yourself ahead. Definitely all processes, everything, if you see there are gaps, there are flaws. But the whole idea is how can you identify those flaws, how can you work on those flaws and move ahead. So primarily from a customer point of view, we focus on three objectives. That's fast hiring, continuous training, and continuous alignment. We understand the needs of our customer, we understand their pain points, and we exactly know how to come up with a solution, especially in a very speed, especially in a very volatile market. So right now, predominantly we have our technology based in Mumbai, in India. At the same time, we also have customers and team which are based out of US. And in fact, in the past, we have also started our operations into the UAE market, and we are really doing good over there. We developed an app which was basically used for vaccination, for registration. So even from a social cause point of view, I think we have really done something wonderful in a very short span of time. So it's like we were only given a month and a half to develop and deliver this app, which was basically going to be used by all the patients in the Philippines. And I think that was wonderful. It was a wonderful journey, and it really feels good, if you develop something which has been, used by numerous people, which is really going to affect their life. So I think that was an exciting journey for me. I can definitely foresee that we are going to grow exponentially for sure, because the kind of processes that we have right now, the kind of environment that we are working on right now, the kind of intelligence that we have in our team, the technology. So I think it's the right mix of resources, right mix of technology, right mix of automation. There are numerous factors. So if I combine all of these factors, I definitely see a win-win for us. I can also say that looking at the current pace and looking at the market requirements and the talent that we have, I'm sure that we are going to grow exponentially in a couple of years, and I can see ourselves taking leaps and bounds step ahead in terms of the entire journey. We have numerous openings available for all the young talent. So basically we work on all new age digital technologies, and I would really appreciate people who are really passionate about technology, people who are really problem solvers. Please reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to add you all in our team.